We're really glad to finally install the Undesign the Redline exhibit here this weekend. This is something that we've been thinking about for a couple of years. It's important we get to hear the research questions of students, and students want to know answers to really complex questions about how inequity comes about in communities.
We're super excited that Undesign the Redline has been this collective effort to bring to Barnard and the experiences that not only students but faculty and the expanded community can have in really understanding and contextualizing the significance, particularly in this year of science.
What's really exciting about this exhibit that might be different from other exhibits is that this is an interactive piece, and it really works best when people share something back. So we invite people to come in and pin a location on the map and leave us a story, and we're going to try to find ways to document the stories that get left behind.
We wanted to really get students and faculty and other members of Barnard staff to help develop kind of content that's personally related to the university, to the neighborhood we're situated in this part of Manhattan and even in the Bronx, to understand kind of placing the legacies and the histories that are presented in this exhibit within a specific narrative of how it relates to the school and the students who have come here.
Barnard students who are going to sort of be going into a variety of different professions, working with digital technologies, environmental services, and even city planning, hopefully, will gain a greater understanding for the city that they live, work, learn, and play in.
I've been living in New York for the past 13 years since I graduated, and housing is something that every single student is going to have to navigate when they graduate. So, trying to find an affordable place to live, being in different neighborhoods, interacting with people, and these are really important things to know and context to learn about.
We're at a critical moment in cities, and I think Barnard students realize that. Going to school here in New York City, they are concerned about issues of racial justice, they're concerned about climate change, and the legacies of redlining have an impact directly on so many of the issues that we're continuing to grapple with in the city today.